for learning some papers, research papers, patents are super boring. Um, but we really wanted to get to know the world around us, especially those great innovative breakthroughs throughout the human history. For example, artificial intelligence, computers, Macintosh, mobile phones, gunpowder, and whatnot. And wanted to know how they work in detail, especially for like geeks like us. We wanted to be able to see and feel the objects, be able to understand how each components work. And that's why we built Inventra. It's a platform that allows all these curious minds to um, have a very deep engagement and also interaction with all these great innovations throughout the human history. So the homepage is a very huge blob, and you have all these countries, and when you hover over it, it shows the most prominent innovations in the country. Now, let me show you the cool part. So for each innovation, you can have an interactive learning, sort of like the classroom thing, where you have a 3D model that you can play with. You have an AI expert that's going to sit beside you and it's going to walk you through, you know, like teach you about this object, tell you a story about who invented this, his motivation, his personal life, and you can ask it questions and it has got context awareness. It knows what you're asking, it knows what you're playing, what you're holding. For example, you're selecting this part, um, and then you can explore this and treat this like your 3D playground. You can explore each component in detail and and yeah. So let me just show you an interesting one with Apple Macintosh. Oh, let's do maybe iPhone or like mobile phone. So you can use the search bar to search like whatever interests you. World Wide Web is not what we want. Let's search for iPhone. Where is iPhone? Let's do iPhone. Oh, oh, okay. iPhone is not here yet. Let me just show you the bulb then. So, oh, by the way, you will have like a brief, and then you have the patent and everything. In this platform is gonna be seated. It's gonna be grounded in the patents. So all the technical specifics, all the details. Um, it's always like super accurate. So, in the same platform, you can start a live session with the AI expert, just like how there's a human sitting just next to you and explaining. Hello, what are we going to learn today?
Ah, a fellow enthusiast of illumination. Today we're diving into the marvelous invention that banished the darkness, Thomas Edison's incandescent light bulb. It's more than just a bulb, it's the dawn of modern electric lighting.
Oh yeah, okay. Could you like highlight which part is the thing that makes the light bulb, light up?
You bet. The heart of the light bulb is the filament. Let me highlight the filament for you now. See how it glows? That's where the magic happens.
Okay, it's a bit awkward here, but it's supposed to call a tool and it basically like animates this 3D model. Um, yeah, and then the agent is gonna be like context aware of what you're doing. Oh yeah, it's doing it in probably due to the latency. Um, and you could ask it anything that you want it to do. You could ask it to explain, like for example this thing lead wires. Could you explain what's lead wires?
Great question. The buck-lead wires ties are the unsung heroes that bring electricity to the sock filament. Let me highlight the sock lead wires so you can see how they connect the base E to the sock filament T. They're like
Okay,
tiny.
okay, you're quite slow. Never mind. Next I wanted to show you guys. Let me disconnect this live. Oh yeah, if you don't want to like use the live, you can just type it. There's a bit of latency, in the game, but we're trying to fix it. Anyway, another thing is that to make this whole experience super interactive, we've incorporated MediaPipe and basically allows you to use hand gestures to control um, the 3D model. So you use this open palm gesture, and then it will detect your relative position from the landmark, and you can rotate it, and then you can also do like thumbs down to like reassemble it, or like thumbs up to explode it, and we can always add more gestures. Is it detected? You can always add more gestures to like make all sorts of fun interactions happen. And, and yeah, that's the whole gist of our app. Now you might wonder how we're gonna get all this data. Are we gonna generate like a lot of 3D models? Where are we gonna find them? Well, we actually have a pipeline that automates all this. So we'll start with using tiny fish to basically do all the ragging and grounding ragging and grounding. So it's going to extract all the patents PDF documents, and then seed it into our database. And then once it's in our database, we will pipe it to Nano Banana to generate the SAM, to use image reference to generate 3D models. And we glue each component into like one big 3D model so that the agent on site is able to play with. And that's a very high level gist of what we're doing. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoy it. Do try it out on our app. And yeah, thank you very much for your time.